train? You don't want to do the train? You're no and you're yes. Yes.
Yes.
And I think you realize that, but you don't think about it when you're speaking.
Right. And so I make her say yes, please, and no, thank you.
Here, let me. Here.
You okay, Ollie?
Dee.
What do you got, Anna?
I got that.
Got a choo-choo train?
There we go, Ollie. Look, an
Good
Eskimo.
job.
Did that fall off? Did Horsey fall off? Here, thank you, honey. I'll fix Horsey later, okay? Here, wait a minute.
Ollie, what do you have?
I had
Who is this?
An Eskimo.
Who's this? Pluto. The dog from Disney. Yeah, and this